Good morning, students. I myself, I.K. Misra, your mathematics teacher, present here with taking a video for class 6, chapter 4, integers. Students, this is the seventh part of the video series. Students, in previous videos, I discussed how will you multiply two or more integers, property related to multiplication of integers. Today, I am going to discuss here how will you divide two integers, two or more integers, and properties related to division of integers. So, students, now let's start and watch this video carefully. Students, after complete watching, you subscribe the channel and as well as you share it. So, students, now let's start the topic. Here, students, I think you know the division process of whole numbers, as I taught in previous videos lecture that in chapter 3. Similarly, students, in this chapter, in division of integers, it's also the inverse process of multiplication. That was I discussed in whole number. Division is inverse process of multiplication as whole number. Suppose, students, any number here, integer 15 divided by -5. Students, here always careful, division be done only in values of integers, numerical value of integer regardless the sign. So here you have to divide 15 by 5, and when given two same sign integers means when you have given positive plus and plus integers, then result be positive. Then result be positive. And if one negative and another also negative and it will divided, then result be positive. In both cases, that means if having same sign, result be positive. So students, and if here two different sign integers, that means one positive and another is negative, then result be always negative. How will you divide? Here one positive integer and one is another negative integer, then its result be negative. But here you have to divide the integer 15 by 5 regardless the sign. Here don't use sign in division. So students, you have to write here 15 divided by 5. That means result when you divide it, result equal to 3. But here you have to divide -5. That means divide is result is -3. Suppose you have to divide -20 by -4. Here students, observe here, both integers are negative integers. Then it clear its result be positive, and it is will be written -20 divided by -4. Minus minus cancel, that means it will be 20 by 4 and its result equal to 5 when you divide it by 5 times. Similarly, students, when you have to divide, suppose 120 divided by -15. Students, here -15 you have to divide. So students, you can write it 120 and divide it by 15. 8 times 120 here cross. That means 120 divided by -15 is equal to minus 8. Here 1 is negative, 1 is positive. When two different sign, one is positive or negative, result be negative. Negative, positive, result be negative. Always care, students. When you have to divide two different integer means different sign integers, one is positive and another is negative, then result be always negative. And when you have to divide two same type of integers, that means having positive integers or both having negative integers, then result be negative. Friends, I think you will complete all the divisions that will be given in your exercise clearly. If any problem, contact me. Friends, now proceed the properties related to division. Property related to division of integers. So let's start your property. First property, if A and B are two integers, then A divided by B, A divided by B, not necessarily be an integer. Not necessarily be an integer. That means suppose you have to divide 5 and divided by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. It's not an integer. But when you divide 20 by 4, then result equal to 5. It may be result be integer or not be an integer. So it not necessary to be an integer. Students, your next property, second number property, if you divide, if a is any integer, if a is any integer, then a divided by a is equal to 1. Friends, when a is divided by a, then result equal to 1. Suppose a equal to 5, then 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. But in multiplication, when 5 multiplied by 5, then result is equal to 25. Here it is inverse process of multiplication, hence 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Now students, in third number property, if a is any integer, then a 0 divided by a, 0 divided by a is equal to 0. When you divide 0 by a, by any integer, then result be 0. And a divided by 0 is undefined, is equal to infinity. It is meaningless. A, when any integer is divided by 0, then it is meaningless. It is undefined. Students, suppose divide 0 divided by 3. 3 is an integer, then result equal to 0. But you divide 3 divided by 0 is equal to undefined. It's undefined. Always care, students. Students, if here 3 integers, if a, b and c are integers, then A into A divided by B divided by C not equal to A divided by B divided by C. Students, always be different. You can take any value of A, B and C and you can check the result. LHS not equal to RHS. Students, all of these are properties in division. Students, I think you will complete your exercise 4D of RS Global. If any problem, then contact me. This chapter is finished. That's all. Thank you.